guys, do you know that Joe has the leopard fruit? Like right there. Yeah, he has the leopard fruit. Yeah. But on, guys. Yo, can you show the viewers that you have the leopard fruit? Please. Yay! Okay. Hold on. Let's just go. Did you move? Hold on. I'm still loading. Still loading. I'm gonna be waiting for it. Hold on. I'm here. Okay. Okay, let's go. Hold on. Let me just go to this. I forgot. Hold on. Can you tell the viewers that you have the leopard fruit? Because I'm gonna get a lot of views. Okay. Okay, so tell me your leopard fruit now. Slice. Let me check the stock. Let me check if it's like, yeah, but I can't buy it. Not enough money. Can you like leave and then rejoin? Okay. Bye guys. Hope you had a nice day and watching this video. Like and subscribe. Bye.